If you're experiencing pending transfers on your Xbox, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check network connection. Ensure your Xbox is connected to the internet. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and test your connection. A stable connection is essential for transfers to complete. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Clear cache. To clear the cache, hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. This will help refresh the system and may resolve the pending transfers. Step 4. Check storage space. Make sure you have enough storage space available on your Xbox. Go to Settings, then System, and select Storage. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting some unused games or apps. Step 5. Review transfer settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select Backup and Transfer. Review your transfer settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. If necessary, restart the transfer process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Xbox. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.